In the name of God, hello my dear friends, I'm Rosa and today I'm going to teach you how to make this cubic knotted cushion. It's small and so nice. Watch the video completely to see how do I make it. The fabric that I use for this cushion is a Korean velvet fabric that's for dresses, and it's stretchy and so thick. Okay, I filled the braid with polyester fibers, and the length of this braid is 3.5 meters. So I start to tie. Pay attention carefully. Put this here. Under this one, and then you keep it. Then the head under this one and on this one. Pull it. Pull it. And as you see, we have 3 petals. This one is the 4th one. If we turn it, you will see we have a 4-petal flower. Then we start to put this one near in front of this one and pass it like this. Now we have a 4-petal. We should tighten this, as you see. Pull the braids and tighten them, because this cushion is a cubic cushion, and it's decorative. So you can see that when we tighten the braid, we will see the form of cubic, mostly here and here. Now we should double the braid. How do we do that? We follow the braids that are not doubled and pass it This one should follow. Pass this one here. And here. Arrange it. Should pull this to have more braid. This one and this one. It's going to be finished. It's a hard work, as you see. Should put lots of energy on that. As you see, it's done. I should sew these two together. I pass it from these, and then I sew these two together. Before that, I should turn the braids so that the sewing seams are hidden. For example, this one, we should turn it this way, that the sewing seams are under the braid. And I will organize it and come back to show you how do I sew these two together. As you see, it's done. It's an easy cushion to make, and the tie is the most easiest ties of knotted cushions. So try it at home and make it. It's a decorative cushion that the dimensions is 25, 25 and 20 centimeters. It's so nice, actually, for kids, even for your furnitures, and it makes them nicer. So try it and make it at home. Thank you for watching. Good luck.